Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Sunny and today we're going to be talking about how to make your hair grow faster and stronger. You might be wondering if there's anything you can do to make your hair grow faster. If there's any products that help, dietary switch-ups that help, treatments or medications. Today we're going to be reviewing all that in this video and giving you 5 tips that you can start today to promote healthy hair growth. So coming in at number 1 is going to be to get more vitamins, fatty acids, and minerals. This is especially important for your overall health, but is a huge role in your hair growth. Your body really needs vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, zinc, iron, omega-3, and omega-6 for healthy hair growth. Definitely check out our Revita tablets, which have all the essential nutritions to help hair growth from the inside out. We've linked those below, so make sure you guys check them out. Number 2 is going to be hold off on the heat and go easy on coloring your hair. So using curling irons, hair dryers, straighteners really damage the hair and cause breakage. While avoiding heat styling is kind of impossible, which I know, easier said than done, limiting how much you use these tools can be really beneficial. When we dye our hair and change the texture with chemicals, these processes can put stress on the hair and cause it to break. But when we tone down on these processes, the hair breaks off less and seems like it's growing faster. So really just try and avoid heat and heavy chemicals on your hair. Number 3 is going to be trim your hair regularly. Every few months, by trimming your hair, you can promote healthy hair growth. It removes split ends by preventing them from spreading up, further up, and causing breakage. What regular trims will not do, despite popular belief, is that it won't make your hair grow any faster, which I know for the longest time I believed that. Your hair grows about ½ an inch per month no matter how often you cut it. Number 4 is going to be reduce stress. Chronic stress can lead to hair loss, and it may cause your follicles to go kind of into a resting period where they shed instead of grow. A few things that you can do at home to pretty much help reduce stress is meditation, exercise, going on a little walk, writing in a journal, and of course, eat a healthy diet. Number 5 is going to be using the right shampoo. What you put on your hair is what you get out of it. Using the right shampoo can make all the difference in the world, and you can see such a huge change for how it looks and how it feels. And it's important to use shampoos that are free of harsh chemicals. Using the Revita stimulating shampoo for fuller, thicker hair that is also recommended by dermatologists from around the world can be extremely helpful on your hair. We've put that link in the description below and you can try it out. These are 5 quick tips to make your hair grow faster and stronger. If you're looking for products to strengthen your hair and get the best hair you've ever had, again, make sure you guys take our hair quiz. This will match you with products based on your hair needs. So it's the perfect diet plan. We've linked that in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys.